Welcome back guys to RGB UK. I've got some sad news. We've got a really broken printer. This poor thing got dropped off a ramp from about 3 or 4 foot in the air. Now, if anyone's ever used a large format printer, they'll know that they're not supposed to be dropped. I don't know, well, we don't know yet exactly the extent of the damage, but we know that someone ended up looking like the Incredible Hulk.
You wouldn't like me when I'm angry.
So what we're going to try and do, because we're stupid, is to take a drop printer and try and repair it and fix it and recover it and give it some love. We don't know what's wrong with it. We haven't turned it on. We haven't turned it on. Yeah, we haven't turned it on yet, but we are going to turn it on without doing anything. So you're going to see the printer running as you've just seen it. Will it work? Will it come up with any errors? Will there be any noises, sparks, explosions? We shall see. So if you want to see if we can get this printer running or not, make sure, subscribe, click that bell, check out our next episode.